Okay, in our previous steps up until this point, we've got our white solved, the bottom row solved, the middle row solved, and we have a yellow plus on top. Now we're going to go with our next memorization, which exists of R's and U's. So let's take a look at R's and U's. R's will be right, U's will be upper. Those are the only two we need to remember. Some will be reversed, all the U's will be clockwise. So the pattern now is RU, R reversed, U, R, U, R reversed. So what we do is every other R is a reversed R. So that's one way to remember it. Every U is clockwise. So let's take a look at where we're at. We have a yellow plus. Now what we want to do is spin our top cube to see if we match up. So we need this center to match. That center's orange, that matches. This center's red, that doesn't match. This center's blue, that doesn't match. So let's spin it again and see if we can get two other colors to match. So here we have green matching, orange matching, blue, so that doesn't work either. Let's spin it again. So now we spin it again. We do see that of our yellow plus, we can get the blue to match and we can get the red to match. That's important because now we know how to hold the cube. And in this case, when two of them match, you want to put the two that match, one to your right side, one to the rear. Let's take a look at another cube to see what we have. Here we have green matching, and so we can spin this top and try red. So here's red's matching but no blue, but yet orange is matching and the green is not matching. So let's try spinning something else. Here's orange, and then if we do that, only the green and the blue match. So here the two that match are across from each other. In that case, you're going to hold it so that those two stay across from each other. Let's take a look at this one, and we have our yellow plus. Let's spin it to see what matches. It could happen that you got lucky, and when you spin that, all four match. In this case, they don't, but I can get two to match. And again, when I can get two to match, the two that match I'll put to the right and to the rear. So now we're going to go with this pattern. We're going to hold the two that match to the right and to the rear. So orange matched and the blue matched. So hold that to the right and to the rear. We're going to go over RU, RU, R, UU, R. And every other R will be reversed. So let's do this. And the goal is to have our yellow plus and all the sides of the yellow plus match correctly to the center squares. So let's hold this. That matched and that matched. Let's hold this matching to the right, to the rear. So now we're going to do an R, U, R reversed, U, R, W, then R reversed. And now let's take a look and see what we can get to match up. So as I spin that, the green matches, the red matches, the blue matches, the orange matches, and we have our yellow plus. So this step is now solved. Let's move on to another one. Here was the one where only the sides matched. So we're going to hold it so the sides are there, and we're going to do the same pattern. So we're going to say R, U, reverse R, U, R, W, reverse R. And now let's spin this and see if anything matches. There the green and the blue and the orange, orange and blue. So not everything matched, but we did get two that are side by side. So now again, we hold the two that matched. Since this red and green matched, we're going to hold our red off to the right, our green to the rear, and we're going to do the RU pattern again. So that's R, U, reverse R, U, R, W, reverse R. And then if we spin, now we've got our yellow plus, that orange matched, green matched, red matched, yellow and blue matched. So that cube is ready. Let's look at this one. Here we still have the green. Here's the blue and the red. The blue and the red are the two that match already. So let's hold them off to the right and to the rear. So now we're going to do the R, U, reverse R, U, R, W, reverse R. And then let's take a look and see what we can get to match here. So there that goes, that matches, that matches, that matches. So in this part, we took our yellow plus and we made sure all the sides matched the center cube. That's the end of that level. That's the end of the RU, reverse RU, RUU, reverse R.